Hey guys, today we're going to talk about checking the air pressure in your tires. I'm going to show you how to do that. There's a couple of ways actually. Now for a lot of folks, you're going to get a handy dandy little light that lights up on your dashboard that tells you that you need more air in your tires. But sometimes you just get a feel like the tires aren't all the way, they feel a little wobbly, like they're not all the way aired up. I'm going to show you how to check, and I'm going to show you how to put more air in your tires. Okay, first thing you're going to need to know how much air your tires need to hold, and that's real easy to find. They put it right here inside the door. So as you can see on my front and rear tires, I have 55 R17, that's my tire. And for front and back, that means that I need 35 PSI or pounds per square inch in my tires. First, go around to each of your 4 tires and unscrew the cap off of the tire valve stems. You want to go ahead and do this first to save time, because a lot of times if you're paying for air, it's on a short timer, so you want to make the most of that time. Be sure you put the caps in a pocket so that you don't lose them during this part of the project. So you want to take your air gauge that looks like this. Sometimes they're a little shorter. It's a good idea to keep one in your glove compartment. You're going to press it onto the valve stem until it puffs out this white end and shows you how much air is in that tire. Press it on there quickly and firmly so that you get a clear reading without letting too much air out. Do that on each of your tires so you have an idea of what you're working with. Now at this particular air station, I'm going to swipe my card for 2 minutes of air time. Then, because I know that I need 35 pounds per square inch, I'm going to hit the plus button until I get up to 35. That lets the machine know what my goal is, and it's going to help me out. Now, the great thing about this machine is once I push the air hose onto the valve stem, it's going to continue putting air into that tire until it reaches 35, and then it's going to beep at me to let me know it is finished. Because I'm me, I double check and look at the number, but you can really rely on these guys. When you're finished, you just put the air nozzle back where you found it, and then you re-screw on those air valve stem caps. Remember, it's a good idea to check the air pressure in your tires before any big trip or just periodically. Remember, subscribe so you can get all the old broad new tricks tips for old broads, young broads, and fellas too. We'd love to hear back from you guys. What would you like us to do next? We're trying to keep it simple and keep moving forward. And don't forget, you can email us at info@oldbroadnewtricks.com.